Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech offerings to give you the inside scoop on what's worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we've got something truly intriguing on the table, the Khadas Mind. A single-board computer that's packing some serious power under its sleek aluminum hood. Let's jump right in. Host voiceover. First off, let's talk about the aesthetics. The Khadas Mind is a thing of beauty, with its space-gray aluminum chassis exuding premium vibes. It's the kind of device that wouldn't look out of place in an Apple store. Host voiceover, but looks aren't everything. Underneath that sleek exterior lies the heart of the beast. A 13th Gen Intel Raptor Lake CPU, either an i5 or i7 depending on your preference, coupled with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. That's some serious horsepower packed into this tiny form factor. Host voiceover. Now, what sets the Khadas Mind apart is its versatility. With accessories like the Mind Dock and Mind Graphics, you can customize your setup to suit your needs, whether you're looking for more ports or even dedicated GPU power. But let's get to the real question. How does it perform? Well, we put the Khadas Mind through its paces, testing its gaming chops with titles like Stray and Warhammer 40,000, Boltgun. While it may not rival a dedicated gaming rig, it holds its own, especially with older titles. Host voiceover. In terms of connectivity, the Khadas Mind offers a decent selection of ports. However, you may find yourself needing the Mind Dock for additional options like Ethernet and extra USB ports. And when it comes to thermals, the aluminum case does a commendable job of keeping things cool, even under heavy load. Host voiceover. For the Linux enthusiasts out there, rest assured that the Khadas Mind plays nice with your favorite distros. We tested it with Ubuntu 23.10 and found it to be fast and responsive, making it a great option for everyday use. So, what's the verdict? The Khadas Mind is undeniably impressive, offering a potent mix of power and portability in a stylish package. While it may come with a hefty price tag, it's a solid investment for those who need a compact yet capable computing solution. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy computing!